It started off like any other hike, on a mission to get some banger pictures. But we quickly got lost.
I don't know where we are.
The only thing left to do was to keep moving forward and get what we came here for.
I guess we're not exploring it.
Yeah, we are.
What do you mean?
Go around.
I'm gonna explore
Right there, there's
Right
doors.
there, dude. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, okay.
There's not much to do. I found a shotgun shell.
Yep, that's a shotgun shell.
Yeah, it's another Winchester.
We found an abandoned structure and decided to check it out and see if there was anything cool to take a picture of.
Go for it. Whenever you're ready. 1 second, I need a stick. Take what? Go, you walk over there.
Oh my gosh, that's a fat boy. It's a spider. Yeah, I'm not going over there.
Where is it?
It's a
Right
big
there.
spider.
Oh, bro, let's just go a different area. You good? I think we can get in there. I think we're good. It's climbing up it. Ah. We're good. The spider's out of the way. Let me get the angle before you walk in. Nice.
Roman, walk in there and just what?
I'm about to scream.
What? What was it?
You can go in there. Okay.
What's in there?
Isaiah, can I get a shot of you walking that way?
Unspeakably awful horrors.
What?
You walk in there and look up.
Okay.
Can I get a shot of you walking that way? I'll walk with you.
I don't know if I want to go in there.
I'll go with you.
I don't know if I want to go in there.
And that's why it's abandoned. Oh my gosh.
Can I show this on YouTube?
The dookie in the toilet? I don't know. It's probably too big to show.
Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh, there's a bug right there. It's a spider. I don't like spiders. That thing was freaky. But I got a picture. I got close enough to get a picture.
We continued on our way to the lake where we thought we could get some really good pictures. Everything around us felt so post-apocalyptic. Finally making it to the lake, we realized it wasn't as good as we had hoped for.
Dude. Hey, can I get a picture of you doing that?
It wasn't a complete loss though. It gave off some even more post-apocalyptic vibes, which we liked. But then we saw something.
You can't really see it because I don't have a zoom lens, but there's some rocks over there. Right there. We have to figure out how to get to the rocks.
We're all gonna die.
I should have kept my camera on.
Why?
Because
Look.
Despite what Roman thinks, I have faith that we will make it to our destination.
Jordan, do you know where we're going?
No, just that way.
Just that way.
To the bridge.
The answer is no. We have no idea where we're going. Okay.
It didn't take long for my faith to start dwindling, though. The forest seemed endless.
Yeah, that's not the fun button. Got it?
Yeah, I was just switching it back.
There's like a sleeping bag or something right there.
A sleeping bag?
Something.
I do see something over there, but I don't know if it's a homeless person.
It's not a homeless person, but it could be their stuff.
We went on for what felt like an eternity.
One of those tarps that you put over it so you don't break anything.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we're just straight up just crawling in the trees. So funny. What?
Ow!
Dead end?
Bones.
It's bones.
Is what?
Bones.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
It's a bone.
It's a boneyard. It's the road?
Yeah.
Did we make it? Yes, we made it. This is where we were going.
We gotta go that way now.
Yeah, it's just over there is next.
Okay, now come back. They're coming.
Who's they?
The cars.
It doesn't matter, we're just on the road. They're cops.
We finally made it to the road. Now we just have to figure out how to get under it so we can get what we came here for.
Who's that?
Backfire on a car. I think we should go this way.
I'm following you.
There's a
Let's see.
there's a thing over at gate. Over there.
There's a thing over a gate.
Hey, what? The groceries are gone. I didn't think a turtle could be so scary looking.
It's not a turtle, it's an alligator. I'll throw it at you, please. Right here. Or this rock right here. Hard to get over there without like crawling on these rocks. Romy, you should just get rid of the egg now.
I mean, I found an egg.
Romy, can you throw it at something?
Yeah, we'll go throw it at the side.
Hey, this would be a good picture. This would be a good picture. What a beautiful sight. We're like literally there. Where did you get the egg from? We're pretty much there. We just got a little bit of ways to go. We're at the rocks. We're trying to get under the bridge because we think the pictures will turn out good.
Ready?
Yeah. That was so anticlimactic.
I got it.
We made it. We did it, boys.
After finally making it under the bridge, we realized that this wasn't really what we had hoped for.
You're in heaven right now.
Not yet.
You were glowing.
Once I fall off this rock, I will be. This isn't as cool as I thought it was going to be.
But then we saw something I had hoped we'd never have to.
I saw better sceneries on the way here. Oh my gosh. What is that? That's a human spine.
Human spines don't bend like that.
It's out of their body. How do you know what it bends like? What kind of animal would that be? A bug. A bug. Bro, that's a big bug.
That's just a butterfly, okay? Stop worrying.
Having completed our mission, it was time to head home. We may have only gotten a few good pictures, but I will never forget what happened here. and I'll always wonder, where did Roman get that orange?